Did you hear me about the fire lane?
I heard you, sir.
Okay, just
Yeah,
checking.
I was talking about that.
Just checking because you weren't responding or moving at all. In a fire lane. Come on, you're not exempt. Parking and traffic laws. Not an emergency.
How are you doing today?
Good.
That's great. I hope you have a good day.
You too.
Thanks, sir.
You need to move though. You're in a fire lane. Want to wait? What's your name and badge number? What's your name and badge number?
Oh, Officer Frank,
Uh-huh.
413.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Did you hear me about the fire lane?
I heard you, sir.
Okay, just
Yeah, I was
checking.
talking about that.
Just checking because you weren't responding or moving at all. You're just sitting there. That's why I was checking. There you go.
Have a good day.
All right, you two. Hey, seatbelt.
Thank you.
Come on,
I
man.
appreciate you.
What's that?
Thank you.
Put your seatbelt on. Okay, still didn't do it though. We got this guy in a yellow zone, and it's been here for, I don't want to say 15, 20 minutes now. Parked in a yellow zone. That's loading and unloading only.
Alright, I'm here
Oh.
temporarily.
All right. Well, that's not no stopping, no standing. You know that, right?
I understand.
No.
I'm only here temporarily. Like I said, went to go grab
Yeah,
some
but
stuff.
you can't do that.
Take
You're not
care.
exempt from traffic or parking laws unless you're code 3, which you're not.
Take care.
Right? Am I correct?
Have a good rest of
Am
your
I
day.
correct? Am I correct? Can I get your name and badge number? 3903, failure to identify? Sir. Sir.